Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best LED landscape lighting kits. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best LED landscape lighting kits based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Greenclick Landscape Lighting. Greenclick Landscape Lighting is an easy way to update the aesthetic of your garden or other outdoor space. The DC 12V operating voltage and updated 6-in-1 system of this low-voltage safety set ensure its reliability. Setting up takes next to no time at all and eliminates the danger of electrical shock from water. A total of 1,800 lumens are produced by the 6 included spotlights, with a CRI of 80 and a color temperature of 2700 K, producing a comfortable warm white glow. The 45-degree beam angle and pivoting head make it simple to illuminate any space. Die-cast aluminum, a glass lens cover, and a sturdy metal stake all work together to keep this product safe from corrosive elements and prolonged exposure to the elements. It comes with a 12-month replacement and full refund policy. With this ultra-modern, ultra-bright light, you can rest easy knowing that your garden will be brilliantly illuminated all year long. Number 2. SUNRIVER Low-Voltage Landscape Lights. The SUNRIVER low-voltage landscape lights are a traditional metal path light fixture that will look great in your yard. These high-quality lights are constructed of high-temperature tempered, high-impact resistant glass for long-lasting durability and clear convex lenses that produce a brighter output than other lights. There's a 12-volt or 24-volt low-voltage transformer option, and the light chips have a long life of up to 30,000 hours. The SUNRIVER low-voltage landscape lights are not only aesthetically beautiful but also I67 weatherproof, have a 100 lumen output and a 90 beam angle, making them perfect for illuminating paths, flower beds, trees, fences, flagpoles, and other outdoor landscaping features. We stand behind our products and services 100% and offer a 30-day money-back guarantee along with a 24-month replacement warranty and lifetime support. These SUNRIVER low-voltage landscape lights are an investment in a lifetime of gorgeous, maintenance-free illumination for your outside landscape. Number 3. Newhouse Lighting. The 16-watt floodlight from Newhouse Lighting is a top-tier light fixture. With a superior powder-coated die-cast bronze-coated body and a 120V frosted lens, this light fixture has a timeless, sophisticated appearance that works well with a wide variety of decor styles. The Newhouse Lighting floodlight's exceptional luminosity and efficiency make it ideally suited to use in outdoor situations. Signs, walls, yards, and gardens may all benefit from the brilliant illumination provided by a single 16-watt bulb, which produces 1,500 lumens at 3,000 K. Also, this light fixture can serve as a safety measure due to its long service life and large beam distance, up to 100 feet. This outdoor floodlight has a number of positive qualities, one of which is its longevity. The coldest winters won't shorten the life of anything that can be used in temperatures as low as 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, it is rated as waterproof to an I66 standard and has received the UL seal of approval, guaranteeing top-notch safety performance in any setting. This LED floodlight has a dusk-to-dawn sensor and a motion sensor, both offered separately for your convenience. This light comes with a 5-year replacement guarantee. The assurance that this provides to buyers is invaluable. You can get the immaculate shine you've always wanted by buying one of these. Number 4. Lumina 4-watt LED landscape lights. Here at Lumina Lighting, we are proud to present the Lumina 4-watt LED landscape light, a magnificent addition to any outdoor space. This superior lighting solution is exquisitely made and planned with the best possible components and accuracy. The Lumina 4-watt LED landscape light is an outdoor light that can be mounted anywhere and features a sleek architectural design thanks to its construction from high-quality aluminum and lead bronze finish. The fixture's knuckle can be bent through 160 degrees, allowing you to direct the light wherever you like. Also, the Lumina 4-watt LED landscape light is completely risk-free to use due to its 12 volts of operation, making it suitable for use with most low-voltage landscape lighting systems. With its sturdy cast aluminum body and tempered glass lens, this cutting-edge light fixture can withstand any environment with ease and without the need for regular upkeep or concern. The lamp is pre-wired with UL-listed direct burial cable, and an extra connector is not required for installation. Simply put the ground spike into the ground at the desired location. A limited guarantee of 1 year protects your investment in the Lumina 4W LED landscape light. The Lumina 4-watt LED landscape light is an instant way to increase the beauty, resale value, and security of any outdoor area. Number 5. Hykolity 6-pack low-voltage LED landscape pathway light. Your outdoor living environment will seem modern with the hykolity 6-pack low-voltage LED landscape pathway light. This durable aluminum and polycarbonate set has an RB mushroom path light finish and is beautifully made. The energy-efficient 3-watt LED light illuminates a 139-degree beam angle. Its 3000K 150 lumen output is similar to 30 watt of incandescent light. It saves 80% on energy cost. These lights have pleated, heavy-duty anchors and quick-install wire connectors for convenient installation. I65 weather resistance protects against rain and snow. They last 50,000 hours, or 23 years at 6 hours every day, decreasing replacement. Hykolity 6-pack low-voltage LED landscape pathway lights with a 5-year warranty that covers most damage and replacement shipping. Increased security and a classic exterior accent. What more could you want? Hykolity handles all landscape lighting. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.